Hi, this is Doug Buenz with the 680 Homes video channel. Today we're going to talk about the difference between pre-approval and pre-qualification for home buyers. Everyone wants to make sure the buyer for their property is qualified to purchase it. It's basic real estate. But there is a distinct difference between the two methods, pre-approval and pre-qualification. A pre-qualification is basically a statement by a lender, quote-unquote lender, that the buyer appears to be qualified to purchase your property. You need to consider who the lender is that's giving this opinion that the buyer is qualified to purchase your home. Generally, pre-qualifications do not incorporate full review of credit, full verification of employment and down payment. This is a half measure in many instances, and a smart, savvy listing agent will want to see a stronger evidence that the buyer is qualified, and that's where we get into the pre-approval process. Now, a pre-approval is an actual statement by the lender that they've verified their income, their assets, their credit, their employment, that basically they've done a thorough investigation of the buyer, and based on those factors, the buyer is pre-approved for X amount of money at X interest rate. So as a seller and as an agent, that is a much stronger statement about the probability that this buyer is going to be able to finance the property. However, the important thing here is who is the actual lender, who's the funding source. So if I'm the listing agent and I get a pre-approval letter, quote unquote, from Jim's mortgage company, I'll ask, please forward us the actual pre-approval document from the bank that's doing the loan. Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase, etc. Then you can be certain that the buyer has actually gone through the underwriting process and is definitely qualified to purchase the home based on the information at hand. Either way, it's very important and critical that you don't take your home off the market for a period of time because the buyer, and then find out the buyer fails to qualify. So the pre-approval process is a very important step that you as a seller need to make sure is authentic and reliable. This is Doug Buenz, 680 Homes video channel.